माना गोखा बिराद माने दिनै गावनि माने गोसोखौनो हमथानो हायासै आङो जोबोद खुसि जादों.
The nominees are
सोरखौ नुदों बिदि मोदोमाव सावगारि आखिलाबायनो
सावगारि नङालै आयै टेटु बुङो बेखौ टेटु
जाबाय बांद्राय गोरों दिन्थिनो नाङा नों मानोथो बेफोरखौ आखिलाबायामोन
आइ जोंनि मेथाइनि ओंथियानो बिदिखामोन
And to do the honors, we would like to invite on stage Jani Biswanath, producer and founder of Healing Lives. I would like to request the members of Bcaa to kindly accompany ma'am to the stage. I'd also like to invite Guru Pavitra, the General Secretary of Bcaa, to come on stage and felicitate ma'am with an arona and a memento. Let's give a big hand for Jani Biswanath ma'am. So the members of Bcaa kindly help assist in felicitating ma'am with an aroma and a memento. Let's give a big hand for Jani Biswanath ma'am, the producer and founder of Healing Lives. And we are eagerly waiting to know the name of the winner. Tick tick egg, tick tick dough. Are we waiting?
Khulumbai, Angni Onjalu Boro Ligafir, is that right? The Best Actor Female award goes to. Any guesses? Sangeena Brahma for feature film Bad. Congratulations to the entire team and Sangeena.
So we would like to have Sangeena Brahma on stage. Let's give a big hand for Sangeena Brahma. The winner will receive a prize money of how much can you expect? Yeah, let's give a big hand for Sangeena Brahma. She's having new hair now. Round of applause for her hair, beautiful hair that was cut out in the cinema. 1 lakh rupees, winner of 1 lakh rupees. The dummy check. Shruti Brahma Award for Best Actor Female. And for your kind information, she won the Best Actress Award many times before as well. So we'd like to hear from Sangeena Brahma. Maybe in 1 minute.
Sangeena was also in our film, and it's the first time I'm getting to meet her in person. Congratulations, my dear. Thank you so much, ma'am. And it's really very honored to get this present from you, ma'am. Thank you so much. गिबियावनो बयनिसिमबो गोजोन मोनाबिलि आरो मा होननांगौ बेखौ आं बिराद माने दिनै गावनि माने गोसोखौनो हमथानो हायासै आङो जोबोद खुसि जादों माने बे आंनि फार्स्ट प्रेजेन्ट दिनै आं 2004 निफ्रायनो गाबोबाय आरो आं मुभिखौ 2005 निफ्राय
स्टार्ट खालामदोंमोन नाथाय दिनै बे प्रेजेन्टखौ मोननानै बे एवार्डखौ मोननानै जोबोद गोजोननाय मोन्दों थैंक यू सो मच जुरी मेम्बार्स एंड बिसानिसिम आरो जोंनि सावथुन गाब्रै जायख्लंनि टीमनिसिमबो जोबोद जोबोद साबायखर जोंखौ बेबायदि माने मा होनो बेखौ सापर्ट होनायनि थाखाय एंड थैंक यू ऑडियंस थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you very much.
भिडिअखौ नायनायनि थाखाय साबायखर गोजोन्थों